Okay, today we are making coffee. To be straightforward, we'll just show you the coffee making. We won't explain it, nothing. Let's just straightly do this. This is the grind button. Since I already grinded it in it, I'll just do it once, like that's it. I'm not going to put too much. Now take this, and for you baristas over here, I think you will hate me for this. Like for the steeping. Maybe I'm doing it right, maybe I'm doing it wrong. I'm gonna just like spread it like this, and in. Now, time to grab a cup. First, this is the cup. Never mind. This is the cup. We are going to do a single shot coffee, which is like light. Now we're going to do it. So press this. This espresso bar should come up to here and then come up to here. Watch closely. Now the milk. We are just going to use full cream milk with this. So now I'm going to open and pour it halfway. Later I'm going to make myself a hot chocolate. There we go. And time to get the steam ready. I'm going to grab this so I don't wet every single thing in my way. Now I'll wait for a split from that. Okay, foreshadowing. This will take a bit around like 1 minute. So sit and wait here. Steam is ready. Now grab milk. Make sure you lean it at an angle and then press the steam. This will heat up the milk. It burns. I think I poured a bit too much milk, but look, dragon. Coffee is up and ready. And now we serve it to my mom, who's the taste tester. Here we go. Here we go. No foam, just the coffee. Let's see mother's taste review.
So good. Thank you so much, guys. Can you please like, subscribe the channel? Thank you, Rishan.